friend. In this video, I want to teaching you how to use Google Map. I think you also know that what is Google Map. This is Google Map. Yeah, this is Google Map. It's help to you find restaurant, grocery shop, bank, ATM, supermarket, shopping mall, gas stop, your office, new college, new university, new ambition, all thing. Okay, at this time we found and we help to you use Google Map. Okay, we don't use your map, you use your map, but we teaching you how to use it. Okay, first of all we need to install Google Map application on your mobile. If you have a Android user, then you can go Google Play Store. If you have a iPhone user, then go Apple Store or App Store. Okay, now at this time, just 1 minute. Now at this time, we go on Google Play Store for this app. Just we search Google Play Store in our mobile, then go Google Play Store. Okay, then type map. Okay, so you can see there some fake map on this place. Okay, there are some fake map available on Google Play Store, but don't download them. Okay, so we just download this application. This application called Google Map. Yeah, Google Map. How you understand and have sure that it is Google Map, you can just click on this top, then it will be redirect you in the main interface. How you understand it is really Google Map. Yeah, this called, you can see that there is light Google LLC. Okay, I type again Google LLC. Okay, so when you see that Google LLC, then you get 100% sure that the app owned by Google. Okay, so need to start tutorial, we need to open this app. So we open this app, click just on this top in this app. Okay, okay, so we found that. Just a moment, it loaded and we need to take some time for waiting. Automatically play the okay. We found that and it will be redirect. So we listened. Okay, I change the music. Okay, stop in my alarm. Okay, you can see that the Rome, right? It is 100% true that Rome, and there have a little country. It's called city, and the Pope stay on there. It's very sweet. Museum, Vatican City, capital Sistine Church. Okay, so when you come in Google Map, then you can found there some information like search bar and related some keyword like restaurant, shopping, hotels, attractions, groceries, apparel, bars, and more. So when you click more, then you also found discover some new option on Google Map that people use to searching in Google Map. Hotels, ATM, beauty and salons, electronic vehicle, gas, also there, apparel, groceries, live music. Okay, Google will be different that some is services, shopping, and thing to do like park, live music, gym, movie, art, museums, etc. And also for eating, food and drink, restaurant, bar, and coffee. Okay, and I think you also love Vatican City, so I don't know where is come in the Vatican City. Little bite of country in Rome, in the Italy, central Italy. So Italy, and if you find a direction in Google Map, then you can put anything restaurant, and you see the result in restaurant in Italy. I think there are lots of restaurant available in Rome, and some restaurant will be offered you, and that you can see that some ad come in front of your mobile screen. So you think that how the hotel will come in the fast, right? Yeah, there is something need to work. I show you. You can see that there are lots of hotel available in these places, Switzerland also, and Italy. So and now I think you don't understand how there are lots of hotel, but why this reason Odeon facial vehicle. আমি কাট করে দিচ্ছি, I cut this. Okay, so at this time I think you think that why uh, all the restaurant but it's come there fast. There was a reason. It's called SEO, and something doing a good digital marketer he have know, and he have about lots of knowledge about on this. So this reason he will be doing a good SEO and like decorate her account. So this reason this is fine, and it's look very professional. So if you need a professional work, then you can hire us. We also do this work for you. You find a link in our video description box, our Facebook page SPF. So if you need to the same service, you can contact with us. We will do best for you, and also we rank your business in Google Map, Google, and like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter also. So at this time you see that there are lots of restaurant, Restoria, Restoria, and its rating also 4.2, and at this time this is closed, and this restaurant is also closed soon. Then you can see some phone number and etc, everything is stay on there, but we need open now, cuisine, price, top rated, more filter. Then we just search, uh search open now, your match. Okay, I think we found. All the restaurant have review, but we need a new restaurant that we are doing to know them and contact them with that we have SEO expert, and we do good their job. Wow, this is their Google Map. It's a picture. I think this is the owner of this hotel. Oh, it's a bar, not a restaurant. And I think it's Muslim. And you see that there also have a location, menu, reviews. We love eating for comedy. But we need her about. Wow. We also found they are but he could not add anything, like not her phone number and etc. So if you think to connect with us, then send me message.